Hey guys, in this video, I'll be writing a pop-up notification of time break. It's because as a new software engineer, I need to work a lot in order to understand the concepts in the virtual world. So I just wanted to know what time I should take break since I can't use my mobile all the time when I'm working, focusing on the work. The basic pop-up notification looks like this. Of course, I took the reference from the Stack Overflow website and I modified it as per my requirement for the real-time basis. To be frank, I'm still a beginner. I may not have optimized the code. Of course, if you want to, please do it. I did face some errors while executing the code, and after some time, I just resolved it. Just make sure your PC focus assistance is off and the Windows PowerShell notification is on. Now I'm writing a real-time code with my logic. And first, I will be importing a local time, and I'm splitting it to hours and minutes, and then assigning it to variables. I just copy pasted the notification code like drink some water, take some lunch break, and take some 10 minutes break and log off time. Since time is in string and I just wanted to convert it from string to integer and store it in a variables named as A and B. Basically, I don't know the names and the mains, and when I checked in Google, it shows like it implies that the module is being run standalone by the user and we can do corresponding appropriate actions. Practically, I don't know much about it. Since I'm working from 9 to 8, I need to learn a lot. This is just a beginning, I could say. Basically, using the if and else statement, I'm just calling the notification as per the respective real time. And I just used if else statement because it showed up in my mind. That's why. And the code works fine for me, so I didn't go and optimize it. If you want, please do it. I just copy pasted the condition multiple times as per my work schedule timing, and then I just use sleep condition to make sure the loop runs once a minute, and that's it. The code will work. Please let me know in the comment section if you're able to optimize further, and it will be a very good experience. Yeah, that's it, and thank you for watching.